Once upon a time, in a kingdom up in the clouds, there lived a princess named Leora, who had long, flowing, silver hair that sparkled under the moonlight and was always dressed in gowns made of starlight silk. Now, Leora was a bit of a tomboy. She was adventurous, clever and kind-hearted, but also a little sarcastic. She was tired of the boring royal life and longed for mystery and fun. One night, while investigating some strange noises, she stumbled upon a tiny dragon the size of a corgi with giant eyes and stubby wings that flapped when he was nervous. Now, Finn was a bit of a shy guy, awkward and afraid of sneezing because it would startle people. Finn just wanted to make friends, but everyone kept telling him to go away. Determined to find a cure for his sneezing fits, Finn and Leora set off on an adventure through the clouds, where they shared laughs, awkward moments, and magical adventures. And as they journeyed together, Leora realized that she didn't need a perfect prince. All she needed was someone who made her laugh until she